Well, hello, friends. Miss Mozingo here. Welcome to Circle Time. I'm so glad you could join me today. This week I'm also doing music, so I am doing beanbag songs. So if you don't have a beanbag, it's fine. I used a glove or an empty Easter egg, plastic Easter egg, which was very hard. I don't recommend it. But you could use a ball or a stuffed animal. Anything that you can throw without damaging anything in the house or that you would be able to catch. So I recommend something kind of soft. Will be great for pretending it's a beanbag if you don't have one. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to stand and we're going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. Our right hand is on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That same hand goes to our side, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at our calendar. It is the 20th day of April. And let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. All right, are we ready to sing? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let me hear ya. Nice and loud. Days of the week. 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 All right, and it is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Tomorrow we're going to have a Zoom read aloud story. It's a felt board. So it's not a book that I hold up and read from. It's a felt story that I move around and tell you, just like the Three Little Bears if you watch that one with Goldilocks. And then we'll have our Zoom meeting, our normal one, on Thursday. So we get to see each other 2 times this week. Pretty cool. What kind of weather do we have outside right now? It's rainy. Kind of gray out there. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Let's make a prediction and put it on our prediction square. Do you think it's going to be sunny tomorrow? Partly sunny, so it's going to be some clouds. Cloudy, where you can't see the sun. Rainy, windy, or snowy. What do you think? Oh, I heard partly sunny. I think that's a good prediction. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put that down there. Okay, you know what time it is. It's the alphabet time. Now, we're going to do something a little different. I did it with our AM friends. I'm going to add 4 to us, though. They only touch their head, shoulders, and toes. But we're going to put knees in there. So when we say A, you're going to touch your head. B, touch your shoulders. C, touch your knees. And D, touch your toes. A, touch your head. B, touch your shoulders. C, touch your knees. D, touch your toes. E, touch your head. F, touch your shoulders. G, touch your knees. H, touch your toes. I, touch your head. J, touch your shoulders. K, touch your knees. L, touch your toes. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Where did you stop? What are you touching? If you said shoulders, you did it right. Good job. Let's do the same thing when we count to 20. So we're going to start on our head Ready? And we're going to count. 1, touch your head. 2, touch your shoulders. 3, touch your knees. 4, touch your toes. 5, touch your head. 6, touch your shoulders. 7, touch your knees. 8, touch your toes. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Where did you stop? You said you stopped touching at your toes. That's right, 20 was your toes. Great job, friends. Let's count backwards. Here we go, starting from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Looking for a color? I'm looking for red. Anybody find red? There he is. Who is that? It is anger. Exactly. Coming over here, and I'm looking for a shape. How about if we find the octagon? Where's the octagon? Right there. What color is the octagon? Purple. Our nursery rhyme this week is Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Hopefully it'll work for us. We didn't have very good luck with our morning friends. Here we go.
Let's talk about Grammarly.
No, let's not. 4, 3, 2, 1. Skip that ad. Mother Goose. Oh, there you go. Let's see if I can get it to work. Here we go.
Club Playhouse. Muffin Man. That was so much fun. Hey, it's the Muffin Man. I'll take one, please. A blueberry.
Here you go, Gianna.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. These are my favorite. Too bad we can't have muffins every day. I should learn to bake. What do you want to be when you grow up? That's awesome. There are so many choices. Look at all the different jobs in our town. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Muffin Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Muffin Lane.
I'll have banana nut tomorrow.
Yum! He's so cool, and I love the muffins he makes. Do you know the fireman? The fireman, the fireman. Do you know the fireman who lives on Fire Lane? Yes, I know the fireman, the fireman, the fireman. Yes, I know the fireman who lives on Fire Lane.
Be careful, kids. Don't play with fire.
Bye. He's very brave and strong. Do you know the businessman? The businessman, the businessman. Do you know the businessman who lives on Business Lane? Yes, I know the businessman, the businessman, the businessman. Yes, I know the businessman who lives on Business Lane. Success starts with math.
All right. It's a very long video, but I thought that was kind of fun to watch. Excuse me. All right, let's take a look at our money. What is this one? Penny. How about this? Nickel. This one? Dime. Right here is a quarter. Excellent. What number is this? 7. This one? 1. How about here? 9. Here? 4, 10, 6, 2, 8, 5, 3, and our letter this week is the letter Y. Y says yeah, like yo-yo. Yo-yos are hard. How about this? What color is this? Yellow. Does anybody know what kind of animal this is? It is a yak. The yak. And the color yellow. And the yo-yo all start with the letter Y. All right, let's sing about where we start our letters. Are you ready?
Where do you start
The
your
letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Do you start your letters at the top? Uh-oh. Do you start your letters at the top? I'm going to pause it. There it goes. I knew I was getting angry. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? It's the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Here we go, Oz. Ah. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Now going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Here we go. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Up, top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Let me hear Oz. Ah. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Going down. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? It's the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. All right, what letter are we making? We're making the letter Y. Letter Y starts with a little slide in. Start right under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Little slide in. And we're going to do a frog jump over. And we're going to make another slide, except it's a big slide this time. Almost like we did with the letter X. Big slide down. And here's the letter Y. So my turn, hands in lap, listening ears on. My turn, little slide in, frog jump up, big slide down. All right, one more time. My turn, little slide in, because we're not going all the way down, frog jump up, big slide down. Your turn. Do it with me. Ready? Fingers at the top. And we say, little slide in, frog jump up, big slide down. And that is the letter Y. And Y says yeah. Excellent. We're going to practice this the rest of the week. So don't worry if you didn't get it this time. I hope you have a wonderful day. Check out that beanbag music. And I'll see you tomorrow for another Circle Time. Bye, friends.
Yeah.